Can you solve such a math Olympiad problem? So let's now work it out. So solution. So on having the solution, so we have 7 to the power of a, then plus 7 to the power of a is equals to 196. So how do we find the value for a? So the first step that we need to do is to factorize 7 to the power of a plus 7 to the power of a. So this one now shall be 7 to the power of a into bracket 1 plus 1 is equals to 196. So in our next step now we shall work out the bracket. So here now we shall have 7 to the power of a, then into bracket 1 plus 1 is 2 is equals to 196. So let's now divide both sides by 2 so that we can have 7 to the power of a. So here also divide by 2. So 2 by 2 shall now cancel. So now we shall have 7 to the power of a is equals to 2 here once, 2 into 196, now we shall have 98. So is equals to 98. So still, how do we work the value for a? So in order to work out the value for a, we shall now introduce the log from both sides. So here now we shall have the log of 7 to the power of a is equals to the log of 98. So note that when you have something like the log of p to the power of m, this one can also be written as m the log of p. So therefore the log of 7 to the power of a can also be written as a log 7. A log 7 is equals to the log of 98. So from here now we shall divide both sides by the log of 7. So here now we shall also divide by the log of 7. So from there, here, so we cancel the same log, that is log 7 and log 7 shall cancel. So our a is equals to the log of 98 all over the log of 7. So from here now, how do we work out the value for this? We can still factorize the log of 98 by now saying that our value for a is equals to the log of 98 can also be written as the log into bracket. So now we shall still have 7 multiplied by 14. Then all over the log of 7. So now we shall have our log of 7 here. So our next now we shall say that. So in order to work it out nicely, let's consider when, for example, assume we have something like, let's not write a, but when you have the log of ab, this one can also be written as the log of a plus the log of b. So that is to mean that a now shall be equals to the log of 7 plus the log of 14, then all over the log of 7. So from here now, we shall divide both sides by the log of 7. So value for a is equals to the log of 7 all over the log of 7, then plus the log of 14 all over the log of 7. So let's now simplify it by now having now our a to be now is equals to, so log 7 and log 7 shall cancel. So now we shall have 1 plus the log of 14 all over the log of 7. When you realize the answer is this way, you can still simplify it very fast by now having a is equals to now 1 plus, so the log of 14 can be 2 multiplied by 7, then all over still the log of 7. So now our value for a is equals to now 1 plus, so here now we shall have the log of 2 plus the log of 7, then all over the log of 7. So here now our a is equals to 1 plus, we can write it by now taking here as the log 7 all over the log of 7, then plus here now we shall take the log 2 all over the log of 7. So our a now shall be equals to 1 plus, so log 7 shall and log 7 shall cancel. So now shall have 1 plus 1 plus the log of 2 all over the log of 7. So from here now 1 plus 1 now is equals to, so a is equals to 1 plus 1, that is 2 plus the log of 2 all over the log of 7. So we are still not yet done. So here now we shall consider by now having our answer as, so for us to conclude our answer, now we shall now say that a is equals to now 2 plus now the log of 2 to the base of 7. And this one now shall be the correct answer. Reason, now the log, when we have the log a all over the log of b, this one can also be written as the log of a to the base of b. So that is what we've just worked out on this other end. So we can still confirm this maths problem very fast by now say that our maths problem was 7 to the power of a plus 7 to the power of a, and the result was 196. So in this case now our 7 now shall be to the power of 2 plus the log of 2 to the base of 7 plus again 7 to the power of 2 plus the log of 2 to the base of 7 is equals to 196. So this one now we can write it by now having 7 to the power of 2, then again plus, so we shall pick here plus again 7 to the power of the log of 2 to the base of 7, then plus now 7 to the power of 2, then plus here 7 to the power of the log of 2 to the base of 7 is equals to 196. Now, so 7 to the power of 2 is just like 7 multiplied by 7, that is 49. So the plus shall change to multiplication. So the log of 7 to the power of 7 shall cancel. So here now shall have 2 plus 7 to the power of 2 is 49. Then plus this one shall cancel. So now we shall have the multiplication, that is 196. So 49 multiplied by 2. So here now we shall have 98 plus 98 is equals to 196. So 98 is 196 is equals to 196. So that means that we are correct when you say that our value for A is equals to 2 plus the log of 2 to the base of 7. So this one still carries as the correct answer.